Okay, we're finished our test here, and it's in relation to all heating zones on. Okay, the main difference, what we're trying to see here, is what's going to happen with domestic hot water when we do that. But we've also seen that it's something that is set up as a schedule only zone acts a little bit differently as well. We've seen this in the past last test as well. So when we're in our zones, what we have, or in our setup here, what we have is that the zones are set to come on at different times, scheduled to be on at different times. Now you can see that here in our spreadsheet, where domestic hot water is scheduled to be on at from 8 to 4 and 8 in the morning to 4 in the evening, and all the other zones are scheduled to come on at 9 to 3. So what we see when we, the first part of our test here, is we actually set everything up, put it into heating on mode, and have a time around 7:50 or 7:55, and that's just prior to when they would have been scheduled to come on, just to see what would happen. Basically, when you do that, all the heating zones, bar domestic hot water and scheduled zones, turn on. That's what we mean when we say all on. Then when we leave the time overlap and go into 8:05, which is a scheduled time for domestic hot water, we see the domestic hot water turns on, and again then after 9 o'clock, when the scheduled one would come on, in the scheduled state at 9, it equally comes on at that time. So type domestic hot water and type schedule act independent of heating all on. All other zones come on, and so that is a pass. Just one other thing as well. You can see here on the front end window of the main screen here, that up in the top left hand corner up here, we can see actually what's going on as well. You can see the mode is set to heating on, the schedule is winter, and it equally shows the domestic hot water is actually on or off depending on its actual state. So that's given here, and it's quite accurate. That's a pass.